Hey guys, what's happening? Madmax here. What's going on? Well, man, just wanted to do a vlog. It's what 10:05 in the morning. Up early again. But today, if it goes good, we get a campsite. Today is the day we go camping. Today, we are going camping. We are going to have fun in the sun with the stars and good old Mother Nature. We're going to fish. We're going to hike as much as I can walk. I'm going to try to walk as much as I can. You know, got bum legs, you know what I mean? Really bum legs. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to let you guys know, man, that's what today is. It's camping day. I'm getting the wood all ready. I'm getting all of our stuff ready, our sleeping bags, everything we need for this camping trip. So, lo and behold, these guys are going to be going camping with Madmax. You're going to see how fun Madmax can be when we're out. When we're out. Where I like to go. My domain. In the woods. With nature. Sleeping. Possums. Out there, raccoons out there, because there's raccoons all over my van. There was raccoons that got into our eggs last year, got into our van, took out the eggs and everything, all the meat gone, everything gone, eggs are gone, bread's gone, everything's gone. So they took the stuff back to their home and fried them some eggs and had some toast. That's what I'm figuring. And took some friends with them. So I'm telling you, it's good. I like it. It's fun. It's got where I can get out and do the things I want to do. I'm not stuck in a house 24/7. I'm out doing my thing. Out doing my thing. Doing it right. You know what I'm saying? Doing it right. So, I'm ready. I'm up at 10:05. Trying to think what else we need. I got my lantern, got my camping stove. I got everything, man. The only thing I gotta do is go downstairs, get my can of gas so we can have it for our grill. That's it. That's all we need to do. And we're on our way. The only thing, my problem is making my coffee. I got a coffee pot downstairs. Voila. Downstairs, I got a coffee pot. Wow. Man, this is great. This is great. Guys, I'm so excited. You know, I'm really excited. You know, I get excited when I get to go out and do things. You know, things that I like to do. Camping is my favorite thing to do. I don't care where I'm at. Camping is my favorite thing to do. Because you're going to have fun. Have fun, dude. Enjoy yourself. You know, even if you kick your feet up and relax. This is our time, man. Our time. Let's have fun on our time. You know, I'm an old man, and I am going to have the best time of my life. Especially being close to my birthday. Ooh. You know what I mean? But, like I said, guys, it's It's a hard thing, you know, but I'm ready. I'm ready to do this. Oh yeah, there's another thing. Get behind the camera. Guys, I'm praying for you. Hey, it's gonna turn out. Everything's gonna be good, man. I'm sorry for everything. Sorry about what your brother did to you. You know, that's not family, bro. It's not family. I know. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. And I'm telling you, they're good people. Someone, he's got his head up his ass. You know what I'm saying? But he's a good brother. I mean, you know, he was there for me when I was a kid, and when my, you know, when everything was going down, he protected me and stuff, you know, like a big brother should, you know. I mean, we're close, guys. We're close. Me and my family's close. But anyway, my mother came up here to visit. I seen her twice the whole time she was here. She's been here for almost 30 days. Nah, not that long, but a good 2 weeks. And where she's spending it is at Catherine's. But hey, you know, the lady's sick. You know, she needs a friend there with her. She needs somebody there with her, so she, you know, in case, God forbid, anything happens. But anyway, like I'm saying, get behind the camera. Be cool, buddy. Everything's gonna turn out. Try to tell you're an asshole, and straight back on that. But everything's gonna turn out, my buddy. Guaranteed. You're one of my favorite YouTubers. So hang in there, brother. So guys, this is Madmax. Guys, I'm going camping today, and I'll be videoing all day long, all night. These guys are gonna have the fun like we're gonna have fun. So don't forget, man. Tune into my channel. Watch for my stuff. I'm gonna put a thing on Twitter to let everybody know, and Facebook to let everybody know, and Instagram, of course, to let everybody know that I'm camping and what time I'm starting this video. So guys, I love you all to death. Thanks for everything, and hang in there, man. And anyway, peace out. I'll catch you guys later.